Hello, today I'm going to show you how to customize your watch face on a Garmin Extend 2X Solar. Okay, so to go to the watch face menu, you just need to press the menu up button for about 2 seconds and press the GPS button. And now you can select the watch face that is most appropriate for you, and this is nice for me, so I can press the GPS button to accept it. And now I can just apply it, or as you can see, I can customize it. This is what I'm going to do. So again, I press the GPS button, and now I can customize every single part of the watch to choose the right option for me. As you can see, there are many options to choose. So I can, as you can see, I can place the same thing in every place on the watch. Every watch face has many options to customize it, so as you can see, you can do whatever you want. Thank you for watching. If it helped, please hit the subscribe button and like button. Bye!